Looking for the best Chrome extensions to boost your productivity and online security in 2023? Here are some of the top picks based on popularity and user reviews. First, let's delve into productivity. The Grammarly extension checks your writing for grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors, making it a must-have for anyone who types. Then there's LastPass, a password manager that helps keep your passwords safe and organized. Stay Focused is another gem that helps you stay focused on your work by blocking distracting websites and apps. And who doesn't love a good deal? Honey finds and applies coupons to your online purchases automatically. Lastly, for productivity, there's AdBlock Plus, an extension that blocks ads from appearing on web pages, keeping distractions at bay. Now, let's shift our attention to privacy and security. uBlock Origin is a powerful ad blocker that also protects your privacy. Privacy Badger blocks third-party tracking cookies, and DuckDuckGo Privacy Essentials is a suite of extensions that protect your online privacy. HTTPS Everywhere forces websites to use HTTPS encryption whenever possible, and Avast Online Security protects you from malware, phishing attacks, and other online threats. But wait, there's more. There are other notable extensions that deserve a mention. Dark Reader inverts the colors of web pages to create a dark mode, perfect for those late-night browsing sessions. Pocket saves articles and videos to read or watch later, and Google Translate translates web pages and text into other languages. OneTab groups all of your open tabs into a single tab, which you can restore later, and Awesome Screenshot captures screenshots of entire web pages or selected areas. These are just a few of the many great Chrome extensions available. You can find more extensions that meet your specific needs in the Chrome Web Store. However, remember, it is crucial to only install extensions from trusted developers. Always read the reviews before installing any extension, and be careful about granting extensions too much permission. So there you have it, a roundup of the top Chrome extensions for boosting productivity and enhancing online security in 2023. From grammar checks to privacy protection, these extensions have got you covered. Happy browsing!